In this quick demo, I'll show you how to deploy MCP servers on Metorial and connect them to your agents using our SDK. We will build a simple agent that scans your Slack messages for potential sales leads, researches them with Exa.ai, and adds follow-up events to your Google Calendar, all in about 3 minutes. First, let's deploy the Slack MCP server. Since we want the agent to access the user's Slack workspace, we'll configure OAuth so they can authorize access later. Next, we'll deploy the Exa server for search. This one just needs an API key, so we just go to the Exa website, copy that, and paste it in. Finally, we'll deploy the Google Calendar MCP server, again with OAuth, since we want the agent to access the user's calendar. That's 3 servers deployed, all in under a minute. Now let's jump into the code and see how to wire these up with our SDK. First, initialize Metorial and your LLM client. Next, to let our users authorize the Slack and Google Calendar, we use the SDK to create OAuth URLs for authentication. Now we just write out our prompt, pass the 3 server deployment IDs we just created, and our model of choice. That's it, about 30 lines of code. Time to test the agent. If I check my Slack, I can see that there's a note about a meeting with Tobias. So you would like to see a calendar event with him. Let's go ahead and run the code. First, we authorize the Google Calendar. Then we authorize Slack. Now the agent is reading through my Slack channels, finding the message about Tobias, and researching him using Exa.ai. Once that is done, we'll see that the event has been created. That's from 0 to production in about 3 minutes.